Hello students, so today we are proceeding from the exercise 6.1 to 6.2. Now here we find its addition of integers. So we have known what is an integer in our last video, introduction video. Now we proceed to the different properties of integer. So the first one is the addition one. We will have to know what are the different properties here on addition of integers. Now simultaneously I have taken the exercise 6.2 questions here. You can see there are few questions taken from the textbook here, and I will go on discussing and I will simultaneously go on explaining you about the addition of integers, right. So now when we come to question number 1, using the number line write the integer which is 3 more than 5 and 3 less than -2. Now, 3 more than 5. Now, what is it? It's like number line. You will have to make a number line. You know what is a number line? Let us have a solution. Solution 1, A number. Now, we are doing a number line first. This is what a number line is. As I told you, in case of an integer, 0 happens to be in the middle and we have positive on the right side and negative numbers on the left side. So here it is 3 more than 5. So since I can take any portion of this line, so what I am doing here, I am just pushing 0 here. I can do it. It can be -1 here, -2 here and so on. So now I have both the numbers to be positive, so I just pushed 0 towards the left side. Now here I am taking it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. There is no ending either side. I told you in the last class as well. Now here 3 more than 5. What is 3 more than 5? Where is 5? This is 5, as I can see, it's a positive number. Now when I say 3 more, I told you it goes in increasing order towards the right hand side, and towards the left hand side it comes to the decreasing order. Now provided the number is positive, the number is not negative, gradually you will get to know what I am talking about. Now 3 more than 5 is, it will go to this side 1 times, 2 times and 3 times. So 3 more than 5 is 8. So through the number line I can see the answer is 8. I will have to draw a number line. So 3 more than 5 is 8. So at 8 is the answer. So this is the required answer. This is what you will have to do. Now number D. From the same question I have taken another one. D number is 3 less than -2. Now it is less than. It was more and it was less than. Now 3 less than -2. Now this is a negative number. Now as I draw a number line again, I am concerned with the negative number. So I am pushing the 0 towards the right hand side so that I can have a lot of negative numbers to be written here. Okay, now this is up to you. If your copy fits in, you can write 0 in the middle. Okay, and so on. Now here it is 3 less than -2. Now this is -2. Now when I say less than, what will happen? It goes on 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. So it becomes -5. So 3 less than -2. So 3 less than -2 becomes -5. So now -5 is the answer, right. So this is how we represent the numbers in the number line. This is how we do it, right. Now next we come to number 2. As we go on practicing, you will understand it better, right. Now let us come to number 2. Number 2 says, using number line and add the following. I will have to use number line to add the following 5 plus minus 11. I am taking 2 B number. So again I will have to draw a number line, that I am drawing it here, right. 5 plus minus 11. So I am somewhere writing 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and minus 11. So 5 plus minus 11. Now this is 5, okay, plus minus 11. Since minus 11 is towards this side, so I will have to come back. This is one method. Minus 11 is towards this side, I will have to come down to minus 11 times. I will show you how it is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Answer is minus 6. Now this is one method, 5 plus minus 11. Or instead, if you are not following this method, what did I say? This was plus 5, minus 11 is towards the back side. So I will have to come down minus 11 times towards the left hand side. Now this is one method. Or how you can do it? Again let me draw a number line. So I am taking from minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and so on, okay. This is the same number line that I have drawn. Now this is one method that I have shown. Second method, I have 5 and minus 11. First I have taken 5 and then I came down to minus 11. Now this time I am taking minus 11, okay. That time I have taken 5 and I have came down to minus 11 times to get the answer as minus 6. Now I have taken minus 11 and now it is plus 5. Where is plus 5? It is towards the positive side. So I will have to move forward because it is positive now. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the answer is the same. Now there are two methods. Once again let me tell you. Either I take 5 into account, that is what I have taken. Now since minus is towards the left hand side, I will have to come back minus 11 times. So I have come back to see the answer is minus 6. Or I take minus 11 into account and then its plus 5 means I will have to move ahead. So now I am proceeding 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in both the cases, what I see is that the answer is the same. Now here I will tell you there is a trick. What can you see? This is actually minus 11 plus 5 equals to minus 6. Now children, what did we get from here? If the negative number is more greater than the positive number, I am just talking about the number, not the signs, excluding the signs, then the answer will be in negative. If the greater number is in negative, the answer is in negative, and then we just subtract. So this is one of the property, and we say minus and plus becomes minus, because, and that is what it actually becomes a subtract. If one number is positive and the other number is negative, then we will have to subtract. You can say 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. I just subtracted the number, and if the greater number is in negative sign, the answer is also in negative sign. I will give you all the properties. I am just going on discussing now. So, this was 2b. Let us come to 2c. I hope you have understood this. Let us discuss 2c so that your understanding is even better. I am coming to 2c now. Now, 2c is -1, -7, both the numbers are negative. This 2c. Again I am drawing a number line with 0 somewhere here because I do not require positive number at all, both the numbers are negative. So, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10, and I am not writing anything further, right. Now, the numbers are -1, -7. Now, first if I take -1 into account, where is -7? It is even towards the left hand side. So, I will have to come -7 times again, that means 7 times again. So, I am coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see the answer is -8. Okay. How many times did I come down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was -7. -7 means I am coming down, right? Or just like the first case that I have shown you, again I am taking 0 here because I do not require any positive number. -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and say -10. Or if I take -1 into account, -7 into account, if I am taking -7 into account, now since it is not plus, I will have to come back again. Here the number was plus. When I have taken -11, the number here was plus, so I had to move forward. Now here since the number is negative, I will have to again move backward. How many times? 1 time. So from -7 I come to 1 time, and now the answer is -8. So here what did I get? When both the numbers are negative, then the sign is negative, but actually we have added. Now this is another property. When both the signs are negative, the answer sign is also negative, but we have actually added 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Now this is another property. When both the numbers are added, the answer is in plus. When both the numbers are subtracted, again the answer is plus, but now the sign is minus. And then when one number is added, the other is subtracted, then always we do subtraction and the sign is on whatever we have with the greater number. This is what are the properties of addition of integers. Okay. I hope you have understood number 1 and number 2. Let us come to number 3. Let us do it without using number line. Now I am taking number 3. Number 3, a number I am taking 11 plus -7. Okay. Now I told you if one number is positive and the other one is negative, what do? We do subtraction. So plus and minus, it is multiplied. Okay. Now I will just give you a property here. Property of addition of integers, you can say. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is also minus, but minus into minus is plus. Now when I talk about into, this bracket actually refers to the multiplication sign only. Okay. So plus into minus is minus. So this becomes 11 minus 7. Okay. If you have understood this is the property that you need to follow. This is plus into minus. Bracket refers to the multiplication sign. bracket is multiplication, okay. When we talk about bracket, it is actually multiplication and you already know about it, right. So, this is 11 minus 7. Now, 11 minus 7 is 4, that we know that, right. This is how we do. Number C, minus 10 plus 19. Now, minus 10, we do not have any signs here, okay. So, we are just removing the bracket. Now, plus into plus is plus, so I am removing the bracket. Now, what does it become? 19 minus 10, 19 minus 10 is 9, right. I hope you have understood this. Now, this is number 3. Number 4, let us come to number 4 now. I hope you are understanding this. It is a new thing that you are getting, but it is not that difficult. If you understand, it is very easy. Number 4, find the sum of, number 4, find the sum of, I have taken only one question here, 137 and minus 354. Now, the question is find the sum of, so and turns to positive and then I cannot write two signs together without giving bracket. So, I will have to put a bracket. I cannot write two signs together without bracket. That means I cannot write in this way 137 plus minus 354 without using the bracket. If I write, now this is not correct, okay. Keep that in mind. 137 plus minus 354, if I write it, this is not correct. In this case, I will have to just put a bracket here, and that is why I am putting a bracket. In every question, in any maths book, you will find there is a bracket, right. Now, plus into minus is minus, so I am removing the bracket, minus 354, okay. Now, I told you if one number is plus and the other number is minus, we actually do subtraction. So, here I can just do subtraction like this, 354 minus 137. So, what do we get? 14 minus 7 is 7. Now, this is 14, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, I am getting 217. And now, I write 217 here. Now, here I see the sign. What sign is there with the greater number? Minus. So, my answer should be in minus. Whatever sign I have with the greater number, I will have to put the same sign here. So, that is why my answer is minus 217. Though I got it only to be 217, but the greater number has minus sign. So, I have to put minus 217 as the answer, right. Now, let us come to number 5. 5 number is, now number 5a, minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now, this is what is 5a, question 5a. So, what am I doing? Minus 7 plus into minus is minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So, I can do it by any method that I would like to, but I am doing stepwise from this side. Minus 7 minus 9, this becomes plus 20, 4 plus 16 is 20. When both are positive, I am just adding it up. Now, minus 7, now when I do this, 20 minus 9 is 11, and why did I put plus? Because there is a plus sign before the greater number. And now the last step, 11 minus 7 is 4. Now, the same thing I can do by another method as well. I am showing you another method for your reference. You can observe that method as well. Now, I am writing this line again, minus 7 minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now, here what am I doing? I have seen that minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8, whereas 7 plus 1 is added actually and with the negative sign. So, here also I am adding 7 plus 9, that is 16 with the negative sign, and then this part is 20 and here I can directly write 4, right. If you are correct, any way you do, you will get the same answer. That is what I will try to say, but whatever way you use, up to you. Students, I am not doing any more sums here. I have taken only this many sums into account, and I am really wanting you to do it, to try it, to do on your own. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can just give any message in the, either in the mail that is given in the description box, or you can just comment me and then I will do the needful. So, that is all for today.